Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves and today we're standing aboard a Cruisers Yachts 50 GLS. As you notice, this one is the outboard model and is the only configuration it comes in currently. It's going to be powered by 600s, which will propel this boat efficiently up to about 56 miles an hour. So we move on to this bag swim platform. You will have a nice bit of platform back here, but on both sides you do have wings that will fold out to give you a 20-foot beam and nice loungers to complement each side. Back here in the back you will have a removable shower, a sink, 2 grills, and some nice storage up underneath. As we move into the boat, you'll notice in this current model we have the extended shade all the way out. If you're out in the cove, it's going to be very nice to have it out. Or if you want some sun, with the click of one button, your shade is going to automatically retract in. You will have matching loungers to both port and starboard, 2 tables to complement each side, and you can also move these tables together in the aft position to give you a nice little sitting settee in the back. So we move forward in the hardtop, you'll notice that we do have some aft-facing speakers, so if you're entertaining in the water, you can hear the music fine. And then throughout the cockpit, you'll have wonderful sound. Midship, we're going to have a nice seating area over to our side. Flip-out table to give you a little bit more space if you want. And then opposing that will be your entertainment space. You're going to have the drop-down TV. So when it comes time to hide it, open up your remote, TV will now recess into the back. You're also going to have another sink, dual fridges, trash cans, and a nice little hidden bar. You'll have a nice sunroof again if you want to open up the boat to have a lot more sun, or you can retract the shade, put this up, and put your sheer shade up in the front to have complete shade. Here at the helm, you're going to have a well-appointed helm. You've got a dual captain's chair and a single captain's helm. 3 large Simrad screens that you can configure to show multiple screens at once, or just have your navigation, all of your lighting controls and vessel view, and then your engines. This boat's equipped with the Seakeeper. It will have a VHF radio and a nice bow thruster. The bow thruster is integrated with the joystick, so docking this boat and maneuvering it in tight spots has never been simpler. As you move to the front of the boat, you'll have another nice little control panel here. All of the shades, all of your doors, they're all going to be electronically controlled. As we move forward, the bow is where this boat really shines. You're going to have wonderful seating up here. You have a nice table option, filler cushion that you can remove, and the table will actually recess all the way down into the ground with your control panel right here on the side. As we move in, the last space that makes this boat truly unique is the cabin. Right next to your center walk-through, you'll have a nice wide door. One feature that Sea Ray or Cruisers Yachts has been adding is a nice mesh screen. Plenty of headroom as you come down. This boat's going to have doors that will block off your forward stateroom. You'll have a TV, air controls, and a nice panoramic sunroof and waterfall edge that opens up to the side. You'll have a large head in this boat. You will have a separate shower stall as you go in on the last space aboard is your last little cabin space. Removing these 2 cushions will allow you to have nice entertaining space, nice U-shaped seating with plenty of headroom. This boat is for sale here at MarineMax Cumming, Georgia, so if you'd like to see this boat, please give us a call. The link is in the description below.